at Dino-Bite Snacks. Sarah's getting this strawberry shortcake ice cream sandwich. This Scrooge McDuck thing looks pretty good too. So maybe I'll come back and get that later. Look at this thing. This will be very funny to watch her eat this, because she always laughs at me when I eat the other ice cream sandwich here. So, yup.
Oh my gosh.
It's like 2 sugar cookies with like strawberry ice cream. Ooh. You're gonna lose half of it, I bet. Yum, 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 yum. And just like that, it's all gone.
Almost. Can't eat anymore.
How was it?
It was pretty good. The ice cream was nice. It had real strawberry pieces in it. I like that the best. The cookie is still good, and it was rolled or something in the like strawberry crunch pieces. That it reminds me of an ice cream bar that my mom used to get that had those strawberry crunch pieces, and then I had a ton of like sugar sprinkles, the like crystal sprinkles. So yeah, that's why that was the main reason why I couldn't eat all the cookie.
Cool.
It's just huge.
Yes, it was huge.
I ate way too much of it anyway, but I had to stop.
Awesome. Alright, well, off to the next thing, which I don't know what we're gonna do. If you enjoy pin trading, definitely go to the Inside Island Mercantile. I just scored like 6 or 7 pins of the brand new ones.
He was very excited.
So yeah, evidently like the manager of this shop is big into the pins and that being part of their outfit and whatnot. So like every employee in this building had pins on them. So very, very worthwhile to go and check it out. It's Kevin! It's Kevin! Now going to look at Maharajah Jungle Trek.
It looks just like the dragon in the parade.
It looks just like
On these smaller areas where it might be found. But homeless too. Being able to help out populations. Wildlife corridors like this one company will.
So this is where the bats would be, but evidently they'll be back soon.
They're foraging.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Focus. There you go. What does the smaller part of it say? Please continue exploring the trail.
Or you can stick your hand in there.
This is one of my favorite parts of this trail is the bats, but they're gone. So this is typically the enclosure where the tigers are at, but those look like buck-to-buck. Or gazelles. I can't tell. I can't remember. Go back to the safari videos and tell me what these are. Rewind.
Safari video. Comment below, what is this animal?
All that I know is it's not the tiger.
It's definitely not a tiger. You're a big fan.
Do you know what's really special about your tiger syndrome? Because it has these tigers that actually help protect tigers in the wild by adopting them. The Disney Conservation Fund works to save animals all around the world, and when you have one of these animals, part of the money goes to help them in the wild too.
Oh, please tell me I'm getting it. Yes, got it. Money shot. Got him reaching up to the branch and pulling it down. Do it again. Where are you going? Laying down in the grass asleep. Can't see me. Now we're in kind of a bird sanctuary. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo. I hope I got that on camera. Wow, that was cool.
Did you find it? I don't know if it's in there.
This guy cannot catch a break.
Aww. Do they keep picking on you? Sorry.
A little low on the totem pole.
Kevin again. He's making his rounds. Bye.
Making her round.
Her rounds. Sorry, it's her.
Kevin's a
a girl. So we are here waiting to see Festival of the Lion King.
Everyone, Amori, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King.
Warthogs and Lee! I'm going to need your help, so Lee, you come with me. We're going to tame this warthog section. Alrighty, gang, listen up. Lee is going to help me demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs will make. Alright, Lee, place your fingers by your face to be your tusks. Now snort like a warthog. Ooh, that was awesome, Lee! Do you need a tissue? Okay. Alright, stay with me. Warthogs, get your tusks up. And on the count of 3, let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's the most disgusting sound I've ever heard. But I love it.
Why? I'm in the sheep section.
I just can't wait to be
Hey, Tuckle Monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog
Get
section.
ready, warthogs. It's your turn. I'm going to do some snorts on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Warthogs! For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Hey, Bubba, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Since someone has neglected to establish a meerkat section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start the sing-along already?
It's pretty clear, all right, pretty clear. The lions and the warthogs.
You know what I think? I think it's time to finish the song. It's our problem, exercise drill. Check for personal belongings. Take small children by the hand. Yada, yada, yada. Moving in order.
Yada, yada, yada.
No pushing and shoving. Come on.
Move it!
We got all day. We got another
Move
one
it!
to crank out. And Poopa needs a bug break. So,
Puma needs a bug break!